In this video, I'll show you how to use this Singer vintage sewing machine with very easy steps. If this is something you'd love to watch, make sure you subscribe for more sewing and pattern drafting tutorial. So this is the balance wheel. You just spin it around like I'm doing, and this is why you wind your bobbin. This is the little thing you use to wind your bobbin. I have another tutorial about it, and this is the stitch length selector, where you just select. This is the longest stitch. When it comes down, it turns into reverse stitch. Then when it goes up from the yellow part here, this is the shortest stitch, and up there the longest stitch. So I'm just going to show you guys how to thread this machine, and I'll show you the other features that this machine has. So I'm just going to get my thread and to start threading from this part here. So this is the first part where the thread is going to pass. Then from there the thread is going to go down to the these tension discs. So this is the tension disc right between these two discs. That's where my thread, the second spot where the thread is going to pass. Then I'll take it over down into this little thing here. I'm just going to lift it up in this little, where there's a little tiny hole over here. That is where the thread is going to pass, as you can see. Then we're going to go down into the next part right here. Just going to show you on this little thing here. That's where I'm going to put the thread. Then finally it's going to go into the needle. So I'm just going to lift the needle up. Then the thread is going to get in right through the needle. So you can use this threader. It makes life easier in case you're struggling to insert your needle. I'm just going to show you guys a little trick that you can do with your threader. So you can give it a try. So this is the threader. Just going to insert it. This is the threader, the needle threader. Just going to insert it into the needle, as you can see. Then I'm going to put my thread over here, and then I'm going to pull it out. So as simple as that. That's how you easily thread your needle. So this is the little threader, as you can see, and it helped me to thread my needle. So the next part I'm going to show you is the reverse stitch. So this is the longest stitch of this machine. When I turn it down, the stitches are going to be in reverse. So you just screw it like that, then drop it down, and your stitches will be in reverse. But first, then you tighten it. First, let's take it back to the longest straight stitch. Then I'll show you how to reverse. So we're going to make a straight stitch. As you can see, I'm making a straight stitch, and my stitch length is up there. I'm just making a straight stitch. So now I want it to go in reverse. I'm going to drop this down. I'm going to just loosen it and drop it down, then tighten it. So now when I start stitching, as you can see, it's going backwards in reverse. As you can see, there are two stitch lines, one that was going in reverse. So I'm just going to take it back up so that it can now start coming forward. So once I stitch, it's going to start coming forward. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.